When this next individual moved to the United Kingdom, he gave up his former profession as a lawyer and decided to get involved in a restaurant business in central London. He was looking to have more free time to pursue some of his other passions in his life. So when a friend approached him about ACN, he was immediately intrigued. He worked hard to learn all elements of the business, and didn't take him long to start producing tremendous results. And this year he qualified for the President's Club in both quarters. Please help us promote to the position of Regional Vice President, Sardar Mortaza.
Good afternoon, Asian Europe. Good afternoon, Asian UK. Wow. Truly humble. I'm truly humble, guys, to walk on this stage today. First of all, I want to say thanks to my God who has given me this opportunity in the right time of my life. And after that, I want to say thanks. I want to say thanks from the bottom of my heart to these amazing co-founders. They created such an amazing, powerful system. Because of this system, an ordinary man is standing here and giving the testimonial in front of this huge crowd. I want to say thanks to my team. Because of you, it wasn't possible, and there is nothing possible without a team, amazing team like you. I want to tell you about myself, guys. I'm from Kashmir, the most beautiful country in the world, which is unfortunately disputed. Unfortunately, and the word freedom. I want to tell you, there is nobody who can understand the word freedom better than a Kashmiri who has been suffering from last 50, 60 years for the freedom. Today, guys, when I went to UK from Kashmir, I had a dream that I'm gonna fulfill my political mission. I'm gonna have a better life for myself, for my people, for people of Kashmir. You know, but what happened? I struggled a lot of time. I done jobs, traditional businesses, and in central London, I started another business. I ended up a cab driver. When I started a cab, friend of mine, it was a fortune day. Guys, you never know when the fortune is gonna knock on your door. The fortune day came in my life when a friend of mine, he called me one evening. It was Friday. He said, Mr. Murtaza, are you looking for an opportunity? I want to show you something. I said, not today. Today is not a good day. It's a day for the cab drivers to make more money. He said, listen, guys, keep these words with you. These words can change your life because these words changed my life. He said, listen, Murtaza, if you think the worth of your life is 100 or 200 pounds a day, so keep doing it. Go back, come back to me after a few years. I'll give you the better ACN, more countries because the company is expanding, more products, more companies in partnership. But one thing I cannot give you back. I said, what is that? He said, I cannot give you back your time. Time is yours. Save your time and come in this opportunity. I got involved in ACN. I never look back. You know what? 3 months, 15 days, I become team coordinator. When I became team coordinator, I was making a lot of money. I think this is all the ACN is. I'm on #1 production chart. You know, but what happened? I attended my first international event in Barcelona. This man sitting right next to me, Mr. Greg Provenzano, when he took over the stage, I was right at the top. I don't know how many people was in the arena, but I was feeling he was talking just to me. He doesn't know, but I promised that day to him that I am your next regional vice president very soon. And it took me 18 months to become the regional vice president of this amazing system. In my life, I want to say really thank to my dad, my father. amazing political worker who taught me never follow the common man, always become uncommon and follow the successful people. And he taught me what is the purpose of life. And he said, listen, my son, the life is about the purpose. If you have a purpose and your purpose is strong, you're going to win the whole world. And trust me, guys, my purpose of life is not only me. My purpose life is not only just my team in UK and Europe. My purpose of my life is people of whole Jammu and Kashmir. And one day, I'm looking forward to take this amazing company to that part of the world where we're going to help other people to have the same lifestyle and same freedom we have today in United Kingdom, Europe and America. I just want to share these words with you guys about leadership. Negative people, not a problem. Because I think now, if I go anywhere and present the business, if somebody is negative, I don't care. You know why? Because one thing I understand, if you serve your team, if you are humble enough, if you are honest, if you are positive, nobody can stop you. I want to share the word of the great leader of the world, John F. Kennedy. What he said. He said, don't ask the state what the state can do for you. Ask your people what they can do for the state. Guys, ask your people, ask your team what you can do for them, and let's put your effort together to make this company the #1 direct selling company in the world. Love you guys.